Ever wondered if a faulty clutch could be the culprit behind your car's refusal to start? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of automotive mechanics to unravel this mystery. At the heart of every manual transmission vehicle, there's a critical component known as the clutch. This unsung hero's primary function is to connect and disconnect the engine to the transmission. In simpler terms, it acts as the messenger, transmitting power from the engine to the wheels. Now imagine this. You're about to leave for work. You turn the ignition, but the car doesn't start. Could the clutch be acting up? Yes, it could. A faulty clutch might indeed cause a no-start condition, but it's not always the case. Let's take a quick trip down to the engine bay. When you press the clutch pedal, the clutch disengages, disconnecting the engine from the transmission. This allows your engine to keep running even when the vehicle is stationary. However, if the clutch fails to disengage properly, it can cause the engine to stall when you try to start the vehicle. This is because the engine is still trying to send power to the transmission, but the vehicle isn't moving. Moreover, a worn-out clutch might not disengage fully, causing the starter motor to spin the engine and transmission together, which requires a lot more effort than spinning the engine alone. This could lead to your car refusing to start. In conclusion, while a faulty clutch is not the most common cause of a no-start condition, it certainly can be a factor to consider. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on the health of your clutch, ensuring it's in top-notch condition. Remember, a well-maintained clutch not only ensures a smooth driving experience, but also reduces the chances of unexpected breakdowns. So, next time your car refuses to start, don't forget to consider the clutch in your troubleshooting checklist. In this journey, we've learned about the clutch's role, how it might cause a no-start condition, and the importance of maintaining it. It's a complex world under the hood, but with a little knowledge, we all can navigate it better. Until the next automotive adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Keep